Okay, so there's this trending song. Let me play for you guys real quick. All right, so I am actually enjoying the song. The song is super nice. It's by Nasboy and Wandeko. So stick with me. I will be jumping on the challenge, right? So today, let's talk about Yolo Pandas. So Yolo Pandas. By the end of this video, you get to choose if you want to continue writing your pandas queries or you want to write yellow pandas queries. So if you are a data scientist, you're a data analyst, this video is for you. So without any further ado, let's jump right straight into it. Right now, I am on the Yellow Pandas GitHub repository. And as you can see, the last commit was 7 months ago. So yeah, so Yellow Pandas. So basically, Yellow Pandas help you interact with Pandas objects via LLMs. So LLM meaning large language models and LangChain. So YOLOPandas lets you specify commands with natural language and execute them directly on Pandas objects. So the only thing you just need to do to work with YOLOPandas is write your natural language question, query, whatever you want to call it, then set a parameter YOLO this to true, and you are good to go. All right. So, and the basic way to set it up is just navigate into your terminal and pip install YOLOPandas. Once you have that, you are good to go. Once you have your YOLOPandas installed, the only thing you need to do next is to go to your notebook and import your YOLOPandas straight into it. So there's a little project that I created for the sake of this video, and I'm going to walk you guys through it. All right. So right about now, we are in the Jupyter notebook. So the first thing to do is to import OpenAI. I'm pretty sure everybody has heard of OpenAI. In case you haven't heard of OpenAI, kindly do me a favor and go to www.openai.com. Then you see the marvelous work that has been done. So you need an OpenAI key. So for the folks that don't have an OpenAI account, so you need to create your OpenAI account. Then you should be able to like grab your API key. I think OpenAI gives around $5 credits for you to like use when you create a new account. So you can, harness that and enjoy to make your request, perform your experiment and all. So after that, so what you need to do is to import PD. So normally when you are working with pandas, it is import pandas as PD. So but this time around is from YOLOPandas import PD, right? So we have a data set called titles the CSV. So as you can see, it's just like as if you are working with your pandas, but this time around it's just going to be so different, like very, very different. I promise you, you enjoy this. All right. So I had to like import manually for some, visualizations and all. So that's why this part of the code is there. So all right. So the first query now. So movies.llm.query. So then you input your query right here. Show me the first three movies in the data set. Then you set your YOLO equals true. And as you can see, it is being outputted right here. Can you see? So assuming you are using pandas, it will be pandas.ed, then you input theory or thereabout into your code, and it's going to like, bring it out. But as you can see, just typing it's like in your natural language, it is being outputted straight to you. Another thing to do is movies, which is your dataset.llm.query, which is the query about to pass into it. So I said for each movie, count the number of reviews and their average score. Show the five with the highest reviews. Then I set the YOLO parameter equals true, right? And as you can see, it went ahead, it counted the movies. So the one that had the highest number of reviews and the average score now showed me the highest ones. As you can see, we have Gift, the Gifts, the Platform, the Land, Christine, and Love. This is super amazing. So do you know, like, if you were to do this with pandas, do you know what you'll have like gone through? You get so aside from that, I did something else, which is show the row with the movie title, the gift in the data set. So I also had like, see what's up myself. And as you can see, we have the gift. So it brought out three responses, and as you can see, this is everything about the movie. Brought out everything about it. So you can use YOLO Pandas for your exploratory data analysis. Just check everything, do your data analysis, and like no stress. Like I'm telling you, it's so interesting. Another thing that you can actually do also is to make nice visualizations. All right. So what I did here was that I just said make a bar chart showing the rating of the movie gift, and I set the YOLO parameter equals true. And as you can see, it brought out the three movie ratings, which was 2015, 2017, 2019. As you can see, 2015, 2017, 2019, and it's plotted the bar chart in a very nice and easy way. You get? So this is super nice. I did something else here. I asked it like, show the five movies with the highest ratings that released year and the production countries. So it went ahead, show me the title of the movie, the release year, and the production country with their IMDb scores. So this is super nice. And if you are a data analyst, I would definitely advise you to like check this out. I can go on and on and on and on to like perform some EDA with this, but I'm sure you get the gist. So um that's it. So let me just like show you this one. So I said plot a graph showing number of movies produced in 2009, and I like set the YOLO parameter equals true. So this is super nice. Like this is super interesting. So say bye bye to pandas and say hello to YOLO pandas. All right, so that's it about YOLO pandas. I am sure you enjoyed the video. So what are you? Are you team pandas or team YOLO pandas? So let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, it would be nice to like see some discussions in the comment section. So as promised, I will be doing the umbrella challenge. So here goes nothing.